Hi there, hello, how are you? I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day so far. Today is an extra exciting day because we have a few things going on. We have the redesign of the merch. It's going to be launching today, which happens to be my birthday, which is also the second Canna holiday, the third Canna holiday. But we also have the July Untitled box because Untitled Designs is actually the company that makes my merch. But before we could even dig into any of this, we have a word from today's sponsor, Star Chef 2. Star Chef 2 is a free to download casual cooking and restaurant simulation game. It's that game that you get the customers, they come in, you take their order, you have to make all of it, but you have to have the ingredients for it. So you have to actually go out, you can travel around the world to collect your exotic ingredients, and as you go each level, you unlock more ingredients and more recipes. You can also create your own food amusement park. Star Chef 2 now also has a new animal theme with cute little dog houses, honeybee huts, and cafes. There's also community play where you can add your friends or you can make new friends and compete in tournaments together. But the entire goal of Star Chef 2 is to take your humble little diner and bring it into a fine dining restaurant. You decorate your restaurant, you plant your crops, you go to the supermarket, you are the chef, you are the owner of this restaurant. And the best part about it is the customers don't get mad at you for not doing it quickly. So it's actually nice and relaxing as well. I will have a link in the top of the description box as well as in the pinned comment so that you can download Star Chef 2 and live your wildest chef dreams. And it also comes with an exclusive offer. Okay, cool. Back to the video. Okay, so first up, before we actually go into the box, I want to show you all of the merch redesigns. We are going to have these available for purchase on 7/10. That is the official launch. And there are a few things that changed. It's no longer in vinyl. It's something called sublimation. So it bakes the actual design into the shirt so that it lasts a very, very, very long time. So let's look at the redesigns. I've already definitely spoiled this one. I've been wearing this shirt quite a bit lately, and I was not shy about having it on in a video. I didn't intend on spoiling it early, but here it is. This is the brand new I Digress shirt. This is if you're like me and you get off topic and you just kind of need to pull yourself back on track and you don't even have to say it anymore. Your shirt says it for you. It has a different, here, I'm just gonna put the Rasta colors shadow, but it's like not an obviously at all even a slight bit cannabis-y type of a shirt. It has that kind of hidden vibe underneath, you know what I mean? And you probably digress a lot if you're a stoner. Each of the shirts comes in a different color. I'm obsessed with the oatmeal with this pattern. I think it looks so good together. But then this one, this is my fave combo. I absolutely am obsessed with this sage green for deconstruct the stereotype. You can see that the sublimation, it's soft. It's not anything that's been added onto the shirt. It's like baked into the shirt. You can wash it with no instructions. Like you don't have to turn it inside out. You don't have to do low heat, nothing like that. It's just a normalized shirt, throw it in the wash. So it still says deconstruct the stereotype and it has the rainbow, but this is like our Southern California vintage upgrade. So we have the deconstruct the stereotype available in the t-shirt as well as in the tank. So we have a tank top for summer. It is a nice, airy, flowy tank. If you want it to be a little bit more form-fitting, size down one. This, you know what? It's like the perfect summer tank. And the last one is, unfortunately, it's too relevant. The redesign of the misogyny sex shirt. It's a one-line drawing though. So Heather drew this, the owner of Untitled Designs, drew this out in one line, and then we still have misogyny sucks here on the sleeve. Yeah, right there. And this one comes in like a pretty lavender. It almost has a hint of gray to it, and then with the line drawing on it, I feel like it draws the gray out a little bit more, but yeah, that's it. Okay, so I'll have the link to all those at the very top of the description box. It's in all of my description boxes if you're ever curious. Okay, now we have to move into the box. So this is the Untitled box. It's a themed monthly subscription. It's going to give you a handful of things. You do put in your shirt size. Every single month you're going to get an apparel item. Sometimes it says you could get more than one apparel item. And for sizing small through 3XL, I would say just stay true to size. You're also going to get, well, I don't want to tell you everything that you're going to get yet. Let's get it out of the box. This one is called the Hello Summer box. It gives you a little blurb on what the box is all about, how it came to fruition, how much you're going to love it before you dig into it. Okay, first up, I want to find whatever thing smells amazing, and I think it's this. We have what appears to be an air freshener. It's called Sesh Fresh. I like the name of that. Oh my god, it smells so good. Does it tell me what the scent is? I cannot pin it. It's like, it's not coconut, but it's tropical, but it has something. It says sunrise, sunburn, sunset repeat on it. It smells so good. All right, let's go into the shirt. It says, "Here comes the sun." It's like a rose color, but it's heathered. So you can see like it has those light gray lines and more of a retro design with the bubble letters and the peace signs. I like that. That's my vibe. Oh my God. We have a s'mores kit in here. I gotta dig into the stickers here. Here they are. So every month you're going to get 2 to 5, I think, vinyl stickers. These are good to put on water bottles because they can actually go in the dishwasher. They can go on your car. These are both so cute. Fireflies in a mason jar. Shut up. And a bomb pop. I have both of my cups here. That's a perfect fit. They're like really good stickers so they won't peel off of your window. They won't peel off of your water bottle. This water bottle actually does make it into the dishwasher quite often. Perfection. I don't know if I have... You have to peel you off. I'm sorry, Canna Style. This one's transparent. That one's cute. That's where it needed to go. I think Canna Style actually can go back on here. You do also get a handmade piece of art. It's, I believe, 5x7 or larger. And this time we have a wooden sign that says "Hello Summer," and it's all these little popsicles. It's all completely hand painted from the, can you see that? My lights are so bright. Look at that. Look at how cute and ombre that is. "Hello Summer." I'm going to hang this up in my foyer because that's where I hang my seasonal signs. It's wooden and it came with a hanger, so it'll be very easy to hang up. And the last thing that we have in here, and then we have our little info card as well, is like, is it a candle? No. Oh my God, that's so cute. It's a mason jar, but it's designed all the way around with wildflowers and grass. And then these are the little fireflies glowing in the night. That is such a cute idea. And it's like a real mason jar. It comes with a reusable plastic straw as well. It's not glass or metal, so good because I've smacked my teeth on them so many times now. Okay, so this is hand painted and vinyl exclusive to the box. So this is one of the things, after the box is launched, you have to get in by the 20th of the month. So if you want into the August box, you have to be signed up by July 20th. And then they ship out first thing in the month. So you do get it really early in the month, which I really like. But some of the pieces that are in here are exclusive only to the box. It's $42. I don't even think I told you the price, $42.50 per month. I do have a coupon code. Doesn't apply to the box, but applies to all the other shop items. I believe it's Chrissy 10, but I literally always forget. But yeah, there are a few things that are exclusive to the box. So if you wanted a specific item out of the box, you'd have to check on the website to see if it's actually available. I think the s'mores kit might be exclusive to the box too, but then everything else becomes available onto the site, you know? Okay, so that was fun. That was such a cute summertime box. Thank you so much to my patrons for making videos like this possible. I truly, truly, truly appreciate each and every one of you. Please consider hitting subscribe before you leave, and links to my merch in the subscription box will be right down below as well, and in the pinned comment. Love you all so damn much. I'll see you next time. Bye.